make two rectangles. For the first scenario, I want my rectangles to be something like this. I'll just make my actual desired scenario. For the first scenario, I want my rectangle to look something like this. And for the second scenario, I want my rectangle to be, let's say, something like this. I'll convert the red rectangles to the yellow one using the stretch command. Right. Now, there are a few steps to using the stretch command accurately, especially when you are in the initial times when you're using it for the first few times. First is you need to determine the two scenarios which we have already done. So I'll have to stretch this one like this, and I'll have to stretch this one something like this. These are my two scenarios. This is the first step. The second step being you need to determine the corner points of the original object. So for this scenario, my corner points are this, 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 and this. The third step is I need to determine the corner points for the new object. For the new object, it is this, 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 and this. Now you see there are two corner points which are exactly aligning, and there are two corner points which are not aligning with each other. Right? So when I'm using the stretch command, I need to make sure that these two corner points move and align with the green ones. This is what the stretch command is. Determining or not determining, but rather identifying the two corner points which do not align in the original object, selecting the corner points, and then making it align with the desired position. Just let me make this to explain it to you. I'll copy this line. I'll make the first rectangle over here. Make a copy of this. So right now we see that, okay, these two corner points are not aligning. So using a green box selection, be very mindful of this. I would not use a blue box selection. I'll not use a click and select. I'll use a green box selection only. Using the green box selection, I'll select just the two corner points that are not aligning. I take the stretch command, which is first letter of the spelling. The base point, since I need to align the right edge with this line, I'll select any point on the right edge as the base point. And now if you see, if I move, the rectangle is stretching and my corner points have aligned. So what happens when you select using the green box, even though the whole object is selected, it's only these two corner points that got activated, right? So the green box, using the green box, you only need to select the ones that are not aligning. Let's do it again for the second scenario. I have these 1, 2, 3, 4 original corner points, new corner points. So I have again two corner points that are not aligning, but this time they both have to go in different direction. This one needs to go here, this one needs to go here. So I need to execute the stretch command twice. So in the first one, what I'll do is I'll just select the top right, take the stretch command and align it. In the second step, I'll select the bottom left, take the stretch command and align it.